Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update disk drives in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go to search bar and type device manager. Open device manager. Maximize this window, and in the left side you can see the listed all the drivers list on Windows 11. So you have to search for disk drives. Okay, here the disk drives option, just double click on it and you can see this sub feature. Right click on it and you can see this option update driver. Click on it. Now you can see these two options here, search automatically for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. So if you have to move to first one, click on search automatic drivers. It will start searching the latest drivers for your disk drive, as well as you can see my device is already installed and up to date. So close this window, again close this window. Right now you have to go to search bar and search for settings. Now open settings. Now in the left panel you can see all the settings menu options. So move to the last one, Windows Update. Now go to check for updates. Now it will start searching the latest drivers on your Windows 11 laptop. It will also tell the other drives for your installing on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So it will take 30 to 40 seconds. So stay calm and wait for the updates. Till then you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. I will keep bringing the latest useful tutorials for Windows 11. So stay updated and stay connected. And as well as you can see my drivers up to date and you can check in your PC or as well as laptop. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.